Hello students, today we will discuss the chapter lines and angles. Okay, this is very important in geometry. So we will discuss very deeply and perfectly. Okay, in this class we will discuss some definitions, angles and axioms and also theorem. Okay, so discuss the definitions. First one is line segment. What's mean by line segment? Line segment means a part of portion of a line with two ends is called a line segment. What they told? This is a part of portion, okay, of line. So it has two end points. One end point is A, another end point is B, okay, and the line segment AB is denoted by AB only, and its length is also denoted by AB only, okay. This is about line segment. Line segment means it has two end point, okay, remember this. Next one is ray. A part of line with one end point is called a ray, okay. Line segment means it has two end point. Ray means it has one end point, okay. So that is A has one end point, okay. The ray AB is denoted by AB only, okay, understood. Next, line. Line means a line is a collection of infinite number of points and extend endlessly in both the directions, okay, like this. Suppose it has line. This is the collection of the infinite numbers of point, like this way. There are so many points. Suppose this is containing so many points, okay, and continuously. And also this is endless. Endless means we can extend both the side, okay, we can extend both the sides. And a line is generally denoted by small letters such as L, M, N, P, Q, R, etc. Okay. Next, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means two distinct lines are intersecting if they have a common point. The common point is called the point of intersection of the two lines. Suppose I have two lines. AB is one line and CD is another one line, okay. Suppose these two lines are intersecting this point. No, this point is called point of intersection. Suppose I call it as O. O is our point of intersection of these two lines, okay. Next point. Next is non-intersecting lines. Two distinct lines which are not intersecting are said to be parallel lines. The parallel lines are always at a constant distance from each other. See here. Suppose I have two distinct lines, CD and AB. Suppose these two are distinct line and these two are parallel, then this distance is same. Suppose I took this distance as A. This is also A. So this is also same A. So this is constant distance from each other. This is called parallel or non-intersecting lines, okay. It's denoted by these two parallel lines. Here AB is parallel to CD. This is denoted by like this, okay. Next, angle.